Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas Tree Meringue Cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 225 degrees. Then you need to separate the eggs. The important thing is to not get any traces of yolk in with the whites because the yolk will stop them from whipping properly. So what I like to do is to have 3 separate bowls. Separates the egg in one of the bowls, adds the yolk into one of the other bowls, and add the white into the third bowl. So this way, if any yolk gets into the white, it doesn't ruin the whole thing. Then add the egg whites into the bowl of a stand mixer, and add in the salt and cream of tartar, and beat them until they're foamy. Then with the mixer running on the highest speed, gradually add in the sugar, then continue whipping it until it forms stiff peaks and all the sugar has dissolved, which will take about 5 to 8 minutes. Rub some of it between your fingers. If you can feel grains of sugar, keep whipping it until all of it is dissolved. So when you stick the beater into the meringue and lift it up, the peaks should stand straight up, and that's how you'll know it's stiff peaks. Then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then add in green food coloring to make it green. Try and use gel food coloring. And add in more food coloring until it reaches your desired color. And finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. You'll know it's a good meringue when you turn the bowl upside down and it doesn't fall out. It means it's a good and stiff meringue that will hold its shape well. Add the meringue into a piping bag fitted with a star piping tip. And pipe it onto a tray lined with parchment paper. Just squeeze it out and move it up and down while slowly pulling it up. Release the pressure and pull it away to get a peak at the top. Then add a star sprinkle to the top of each one. And add more sprinkles onto the sides of them. And bake them in the oven until they're dry and crisp. Your timing may vary depending on how big or small you made them. Mine took an hour and a half. You'll know they're ready when you can pull them easily away from the paper without them sticking to it. So when they're done, leave them to cool completely. And that's how to make Christmas Tree Meringue Cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.